How to use IFPC car insurance Sweden properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. IFPC car insurance is a popular choice in Sweden, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy doesn't guarantee protection. You need to know how to use it properly. One major mistake is relying only on liability coverage. While it fulfills legal requirements, it won't cover damage to your own vehicle. Comprehensive coverage protects your car and finances, particularly for newer or more valuable vehicles. Misunderstanding deductibles is another common error. A low deductible reduces out-of-pocket costs but raises premiums, while a high deductible lowers premiums but could leave you pay more if an accident happens. Choosing the right deductible is critical. Failing to update your policy is also a trap. Life changes like moving, adding a new driver, or buying a new car can impact your coverage. If IFPC isn't informed, claims may be delayed or denied. Many drivers overlook discounts. IFPC offers savings for safe driving, accident-free history and policy bundles. Missing these can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow payouts. Always document damages, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize IFPC car insurance Sweden. Ensure proper coverage, select the right deductible, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and keeps you protected on every journey.